every case study is decision making in a particular situation. Now by some particular types of case studies, basically they want to know that when you face a less known aspect, because that area would be less known, so how you take a decision, or whether you are aware about this range of topics. Right. And food safety has remained one such area, you should know that. Right. Since Maggi issue, it has remained, right. They are testing your decision making. Now let's say safety standards. Now you will give more focus on law. Okay, we should have safety measures, we should have SOP, we should have compliance, we should have enforcement. This is how. If you focus on that aspect, again you are becoming legalistic. Why not to raise the let's say conscience of people, consciousness of people, right, against, let's say, that ki lack of those safety measures and the consequence on human life. Because if safety measures are lacking, it affects everyone, you and me both, the person who enforce and the person who is enforced against. Because food is consumed by everyone. Okay. This basically you should focus on more building ethical standards. The organizations which are in food production, you have to work with them, influence them for adhering to ethical standards. Right. At the same time, you can take legal measures. But you know that people will go more towards legal measures. Right. This we can survive.
Ethics with S. Ansari remains the best ever choice. Do you know that ethics paper is the only paper in general studies that pays more with less efforts? One can easily secure 130 to 140 marks. LUKMAAN IAS is a well-established name since 2014 for ethics paper. We offer 3 types of courses: Ethics Foundation course, Ethics Case Studies, and Ethics Test Series. Since 2015, LUKMAAN IAS students have maintained the records of securing the highest marks in this paper. So, why to wait? Contact us today for more information.